Hello, in this video I will be giving you a brief overview of the barcode functionality in Sybiz Vision. So I've got a group of products, group 5, that a lot of those have barcodes, and so we'll have a look at how you go in to set those up. So here I've got my garden seats, and under the Barcodes tab, we now have the ability to specify barcodes per location and also per unit of measure. So here I'm just concerned about the unit of measure. I've got two separate barcodes, one for each of those garden seats, and then another barcode that picks up a set of 4 of those garden seats. So that's one aspect of the barcode setting within Sybiz Vision. And next we'll take a look at one of the reports, the product catalog report, which is essentially just a report that gives you your product information and barcodes for those products. So again, my barcoded products that I'm worried about are just in group 5. And I'm just going to point out as well that I've actually customized my report because I wanted my barcodes in EAN13 format, and so that's easy enough to do. I've already gone through and changed my barcode format there. So I'll just OK that and just preview that report. And that just gives you, I guess, the product catalog is ideal for sitting on the front counter and scanning those items that perhaps are a little bit too cumbersome to drag onto the counter or too small to place a barcode on. So that is the product catalog. Okay, so let's now take a look at the way the barcodes work within transaction processing, and it can be used within both the sales and purchase transactions, but let's just start with the most logical, which is the sales invoice. So once we choose our customer, the transaction gets activated and there's a barcode search field there. So to get to that barcode search at any time, you can use the Control B key combination, although your barcode scanner can be programmed most likely to do that, as I have done with mine. So when I start scanning barcodes, what will happen is it'll go to that barcode search field, and if it recognizes the item, it will then add it as a line within the transaction itself. If it doesn't recognize it, it won't actually move away from that barcode field. So that it's not going to try and find the closest match or anything drastic like that. It's just going to either get the precise barcode match or not do anything with it at all. So so what you can do is you can continue to scan barcodes, and what will happen is if there's a match, it will add it. If you scan a barcode that you've already scanned, instead of putting an extra line item into your sales invoice transaction, it will actually just add an additional quantity to that particular line item. And just if you do get into a situation where a barcode is being scanned and it is not being recognized, like has just happened there, you do have the ability, if that barcode can be read, to actually just type into the field and make that correction. If, for example, you don't have the ability to decipher the missing part of the barcode and make any sense of it, you do also, of course, have the ability to add a new line as you would normally. So you can just type in the product code if you happen to know it, or alternatively you can use the search functionality to find it. So again, the Control B key will get you to the barcode search field, and if you can't match the barcode, then there is still the ability to add in the record individually. So thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Sybiz.